Hello and welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys, we have a real treat here today with beautiful wand curl from Amazon. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love everything about it. I love the bounce. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. If you want to see how I got this done, well, let's get started then. First thing I want to say is make sure you're moisturizing your hair before you lock it in with the crochet. It really matters and it helps for your hair not to be dry. Okay, because being up in this crochet, you're not going to be able to get to your scalp, so this is the best way to go. I like the bounce of this hair. I like the way it fits on my hair. It's not too thick and it's not too small. It's just right for me. You guys can, it all depends on the thickness of you. You can put it in just like that, or you can split it into so many pieces, as many as you like. It's all up to you. So my sweethearts, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this. I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video when we're basically almost done or done. See you then. And this is the final result, you guys. I love it. I think it's beautiful. It is sexy to me. You guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.